You obviously heard of the Meta RayBan and the whole demand in the industry for smart glasses. But what if I told you there's a product that's even better with cooler features that's available today for you to try on? Let's check this out. Okay, so now I'm in speech mode where I'm using this as a teleprompter. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a pleasure to be here today to share insight on the subject. So now as I speak, I can see the text being lit up and it scrolls in real time, listening to what I'm saying and obviously picking up on the words. And I think that's really cool. This is a game changer when it comes to speakers on stage, having to eliminate the need to having to look down at comfort monitors or at teleprompters behind the audience. This is going to change the way you interact on stage, freely moving around, looking where you feel like looking, and your prompter is following you, still looking straight into the audience face or the person you're interacting with. I think this would be something cool in the events industry, bringing a whole new genre of how VVIP presentations and major keynotes on stage are transformed, letting people not stand in one position but move around freely. I think even the display brightness is quite crisp. This gives me so much more room to play with when it comes to environments that are really bright, and the concern about looking at lights within events which are directly into your face and being worried about legibility of the fonts because of the brightness within the display. Now let's try out another feature. Let's go back to the main menu. Hi Rokid, navigate me from here to the airport. Yeah, I see International Airport for Las Vegas, and it shows me Bellagio. And yeah, arrival time 1938, 10 minutes to the airport. Okay, interesting. So again, this could be something cool while you're driving and you want to launch the AI and say, take me to this place. You're not really dependent on your vehicle's navigation system, and you could be looking straight into the road and continue to use the device as you drive or walk. So now in the menu, of course, you've got brightness control and volume control. Besides that, I can go into voice translation. They've got over 100 languages. I've got teleprompter mode, and then you've got lyrics, and then navigation. And that's just the beginning. They've got so much more that is lined up for the app update very soon. And of course, the AI assistant, which links to obviously whichever preferred AI you have, whichever subscription you work with, ChatGPT, Copilot, or whatever, you link that obviously to your device through the app, and then you start using this as your native AI glasses with your preferred platform, and then engage in real time with the information you want to have personally on your device. And this is the Rokid glasses. I think the underdog in the industry that's going to make changes in the way they enter the market. And obviously, with that kind of brightness, with that kind of features, it's going to be a game changer. And that's amazing tech on the Technologist.